a special delivery.
This is the Krane 750. Krane makes 3 models of this. This is the largest cart, and it holds up to 750 pounds.
It's like 7 bodies.
We have so much gear we're constantly carrying when we're on location. When you're trying to unload gear from a car or a truck, and you have to go up to, let's say, like a building or like a fifth. What am I saying?
Why so serious with his head?
Yeah,
What am I saying?
all right, let's cut it.
This smells really strong.
It does smell like cart.
Oh, let me get the box. So the reason we got this cart is because, as you can see, it has a whole bunch of different configurations, which is super useful.
If you're sick of Sam talking and you want to see this cart, say hell yeah!
Looks like either side folds down and you just pull this red thing and it probably locks. These wheels are pretty solid. They have these nice brakes on them.
Sam, you're blocking it.
We dressed in all in black just so we could look like a moving company. He uses like whips. Get back to work! Ha! We need that part though, Xavier. How many people does it take to open a cart? It's just without the pin.
Like this, right?
So I guess we never needed that tool. All right, get off. The puzzle deck. This is the compartment cube. It's got a lot of storage. Pretty sure this just like can slide over this on the outside. I assume goes over this bar. Look at that.
And there you have it, folks. A cart.
The Krane 750, amazing cart.
There you go.
So as cool as the cart looks, we gotta see how does it handle with all our gear on top. So let's pack it up and find out. I feel like only like 100 pounds. Usually if we had this much gear, we would put a bungee cord on top. Oh wow. Yeah, this is like nothing. Can you look more enthused? Beep, 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 beep. So I would say gear test. See the work we do for you.
Look at this. Dying.
A lot of times on set, people use things like this, an AV cart or a mag liner to transport gear. But look how big it is. To get this into your car is impossible. You'd have to have a truck. And if you're on location, you just can't bring this. So this is useless. This is another thing that most people use on set, a hand truck. Compared to the Krane cart, as you can see folded up, is so much smaller. When you want an AV cart or mag liner, turn it into the box setup, get the additional accessory, and now you can leave gear on top. Ta-da! This has no brakes. This just goes wildly down the street and you can't do anything. And when you're getting yelled at on set to get back quickly, you can use it as a longboard.
It's so easy. You can do it with only one hand.
It even fits in here.
It can fit in here. It even fits in here.
So, should you buy the Krane AMG 750? The answer is yes. There is no other way to move around gear that is as small, portable, and easy to use as this cart. If you've ever struggled with a load-in at a location, this cart will be your ultimate unsung hero.